Harisse. Essa é um doce árabe.
On this Christmas Eve in Rio de Janeiro, I was dancing in the sudden summer rain, overflown with the Brazilian saudade, that happy grief and playful joyous pain, a never-ending yearning for your one and only love, though she's right there with you, right there in your arms. Oh, a Christmas Eve in Rio de Janeiro, underneath the Ipanema stars.